Hi guys, today I'm sharing with you is a Singapore banknotes. This is the second series of Singapore. This is a 100 ringgit, $100. Sorry, keep on mentioning ringgit. This is Singapore dollars. So this 100 ringgit dollars is in a bird series. In Singapore, this is the second series of their banknotes. In the first series will be the orchid, and the second series is the birds, and the third series will be the ships, and the last one will be the portraits. So for this one today, I'm sharing with you is the bird series. So this is $100 where I came across lately, and this is the A13 438481. For me, this is a VF conditions, or just a normal conditions, where it issued by the printer of Bradbury Wilkinson Incorporation. The diameter, the size of it is 159 mm, no 159 mm multiplied by the 95 mm. So this is 95 mm and this is 195 mm. So it's signed by Mr. Hon Sui Sen. This is Dr. Hon Sui Sen, and it also has the A1 prefix. The first prefix start with A1, but for this it's just a normal one. So just sharing with you how's the $100 second series looks like. As usual, they will have 4 different kinds of wording. It's in Bahasa, in Chinese, in Tamil, and in English. So this is how the signature of our Mr. Hon Sui Sen. This is how it looks like, and with the stamp on it. So it was issued in the year of 1976. So let's have a look. This is a beautiful piece of bird series. This is a blue throats bee eater. So this is a blue throats bee eater, and this is the city of Singapore. At the bottom there you can see here, and it's in dollar sign, and it said Majulah Singapura. And let's have a closer look at it. Alright, this is the $100 Singapore banknotes. Let's have a look at the back of it. Alright, at the back is a very simple, no much. Most of the Singapore's banknotes, it shows in harmony, mixed ratios of different cultures, different races, and this is how it looks like. So there will be, I think this is Malays, this is a Chinese, and this is the Indian. So there are 3 races over here. And this is how it looks like for Singapore harmony. And the printer is stated here, Bradbury Wilkinson's, so and Co Limited. But most of the new currency, they do not have this printers company names print on it. Let's see, probably there's a watermark on it on the security side. Yes, this is a security traits. There's a watermark. If you can see, there's a lion on top of the 100 there, and there's also a security traits in between the line of 100 there. So that's the security of it. This part is the security traits for the $100 Singapore. So today I'm sharing with you is the $100 of Singapore banknotes second series. So hopefully you have come across the second series Singapore banknotes, and if you have any questions or anything to ask or anything to share, you can put down under my comments there, so that more people will know, and we can share more to more people's who interested in all this numismatic. Anyway, thank you very much for watching my videos. If you like, do please subscribe and share more to our new friends. So thank you very much and have a nice day.